We are starting exercise 13.1. The question number 1 is two cubes each of volume 64 cubic centimeter are joined end to end. We see here are two cubes joined end to end. This is the common face between the two cubes. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Now, after joining these two cubes, we have got a cuboid. The volume of each cube is 64 cubic centimeter. Now, because the volume is given 64 cubic centimeter, from here we can find the edge of one cube. Consider the edge of one cube is A. Then we A centimeter. Then we get A cube is equal to 64 because the volume of the cube is given by the edge cube. A cube is equal to 64. Then A is equal to third root of 64 because A cube was 64. Then A will become equal to third root of 64. For this we are finding the third root of 64. Now we factorize 64. After factorizing we get 4 into 4 into 4 and we have to find its third root. In third root we take 1 from the 3 digits. Then A is equal to 4 centimeter. Now length of new cuboid. Length of new cuboid will be A plus A. This is the length because this was the edge. Then this edge of the next cube. Then this is the total edge of the new cuboid. It is A plus A. Then this is the length of the new cuboid. Length of new cuboid is A plus A, that is 2A. Means 4 plus 4 because A was found out to be 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now breadth is A, that is 4, and height is A, that is 4. Breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. Then surface area of new cuboid is 2 into LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. 2 is common. 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. We have put the values of L, B and H in the formula. Now after applying the values we get 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32, 2 into 80, that is 160 square centimeter. That is the surface area of new cuboid. Now we come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of vessel. See, here is the figure for the question. Here it is the cylinder mounted on a hemisphere. The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Here to here, this is 13 centimeter. And the radius of the hemisphere is 14 by 2 because the diameter is given to be 14 centimeter. Then the radius will become 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. 14 by 2 is 7. See here, diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Radius will become to be 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 13 minus 7. This is the radius and this is the total height of the vessel. 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now the inner surface area of vessel will be equal to the curved surface area, the inner surface area of hemisphere plus inner surface area of cylinder. That is, the inner surface area of hemisphere is the curved surface area of this hemisphere from inside and curved surface area of cylinder from inside. That is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Now here 2 pi r is common from both of the sides. 2 pi r into r is left here because r we have taken out of the bracket. Then we get 2 pi r into r plus h. From here whole 2 pi r is common. Then here we get h only. 2 pi r into r plus h. Now we put the values to pi is 22/7 and radius is 7. Then radius is 7 and height is 6. Height of the cylinder is 6. Now it is found to be 44 into 13. On solving we get 572 square centimeter. That is the inner surface area of the vessel.